We are standing out in front of 7046 Cross in Citrus Heights, California. As you can hear, there's some contractors doing work on the front yard here. Some information about the house. This is a just over 2,000 square foot home, 4-bedroom, 2-bath on 0.36 acres. And it is up for sale for $615,000. In a minute, I'll take you inside. I'm actually filming this after looking inside the house and in the backyard. So I can tell you that the 4 bedrooms are pretty generously sized for the types of houses around here that you'd expect to run into. So let's go take a look. All right, let's take a look inside. As you can see, there's some people doing some work out front. We have now entered the premises. The front entrance opens up to, wow, everything. Got your living space here, fireplace. Off to the right, the kitchen. Very grandiose kitchen. There is a step down into the kitchen area. Watch your step. Beautiful surfaces. Looks like granite counter. There's our cabinetry. Got the soft close on the drawers. Nice tile backsplashes. It's a very, very open feel, which I like. Continuing through the house, I found the connecting hallway. And then off to the left here, another connecting hallway. Got a barn-style door on this utility room here. And I have backed into what appears to be the master bedroom. Double door on the entrance to the backyard. Here's a view of that. Yeah, it looks like there's the bones of a tree house on that tree. Continuing into the master bedroom. Very nice walk-in closet. Very nice floors. They can definitely stand up to some abuse. I think we have real tile floors in the bathroom. Granite countertops, his and her vanities. Stand-up shower with room for 2. All right, emerging from the master lair, we're gonna go check out the other rooms in the house. So immediately off to the left, we have a bathroom. Full bath, nice vanity. They've continued the use of these granite countertops, which is very nice. You've got the same backsplashes as you saw in the kitchen. Next room down is a bedroom. It's an amply sized bedroom, say about 16 by 11, possibly 12. Lighting is not great in this room. You can tell why. That backyard tree provides a lot of shade to the rear-facing windows. Again, in the hallway, we're met with two doors, which I suppose will be closets. Okay, door number one. What's behind door number two? Here's the third of 4 bedrooms. This one is carpeted. Has a rear-facing window. Closet space with shelving. Now let's check out the final room in the house at the end of that hallway. This is a very long bedroom. Ample space for a bed and probably even room for a little desk. And there's your closet. We've looked at the inside, now let's go check out the outside. I'm gonna step out into the backyard through the entrance to the kitchen. It's got this overhang. It's a nice touch. I like these on homes. Now we are on a 0.36 acre property. I don't see where the acreage is yet. This could be garage. We're now in the 2-car garage. Got your water heater for the house in the back corner. And interior entrance from the garage into the house. Backyard needs some TLC, as you can see. Opposite the garage, we have this structure incorporating outdoor kitchen. It's got potential, but it's unfinished. What is this called? A cabana? Don't you need a pool to have a cabana? No, I'm just kidding. Like I said, it's got potential, but it's unfinished. All right, let's see if there is room for a pool on this property. See, someone enjoys putting. This deck is enormous. Does it have to be there? Well, that would be up to the buyer. I suppose one might be able to incorporate a small pool back here if they were willing to go around the tree roots, remove some decking. You could probably incorporate a small pool right over there that goes right up to the cabana/kitchen. Could be fun for youngsters. Got a little tree house right there. Let's go check out the shed. It's a nice sized shed. Well made too. All wood frame. I'm going to pan across the rest of the backyard here. Because of the neighborhood we're in, it is a little bit quieter on this property than it was on the other two that we looked at today. As you can see, this last home, 7046 Cross in Citrus Heights, is a nicer neighborhood than the other two.